Many phone brands today have smartwatches to accompany their phones, ranging from Samsung to Apple to different products. But the smartwatch we want to talk about today has no phone companion. It is the SWO7C Sporty smartwatch. As of right now, the smartwatch costs about 20,000 naira, and the review today will be helping you decide whether or whether not to buy the Sporty smartwatch. Follow along as we unbox and talk about the smartwatch. Once we open the box, the first thing we'll see is the watch, the silicone straps, and then finally the charger. So there are not many things in the box, but this is the watch, silicone straps, and then the charger. So now you would want to know is how to connect the watch, to your mobile device. Now I have my phone here. Once you turn on the watch, it is advised to charge, but I've charged mine. So once you turn on the watch, you scroll down to the last menu. You see this in the middle, this icon, this one. It will ask you to scan a QR code. Now once you scan this code, it will take you to Play Store and ask you to download the COVID app. Once you've downloaded the COVID app, you open it. This is what you see. You see this, this is the home page, and then you press Me and you click on Device. Once you click on Device, it will search around for any device around you, any watch around you, and as we can see here, the name of the watch is SWO7C. So we click on this, it will ask you to press this, and then that is it. Now you can do whatever you want. You can connect it, raise to wake. There are different settings, but one is if you don't like this particular wallpaper, you can go here, and then you can select from the menu. You can select from many wallpapers and choose. And if you don't like this one, you can go here and select one of the pictures from your gallery, and you get that as your wallpaper. So let's put the phone away. Now let's talk about the physical appearance of the Sporty smartwatch. This watch has 1.69 inches for display, and then on the right side we have the button. As you can see, it turns on the watch, turns it off. Now let's look under. We have the charging point, we have the heartbeat sensor, and that's about it for the smartwatch. Now this silicone straps make it very comfortable for one to wear the watch. Now, what differentiates smartwatch from other smartwatches? We can all agree that the features of the smartwatch is what make that particular smartwatch appealing to the customer to buy. So let's talk about the features that this SWO7C smartwatch has. Okay, now let's look at the features on this particular watch. You do first, you see sports. Running, walking, cycling, treadmills, any sport, basketball. We see this notifications, messages. So once you get a message on your device, you will be able to see that message on this watch. Then we have the heart rate sensor. After that, we have the steps counter, also helps in counting calories and how many kilometers you've walked in a day. Then we have the oxygen level. It helps to check the oxygen level in the body. We also have the stopwatch. So anything you're doing, you have a handy stopwatch around you. This, the music player. You can play music, you can stop music from your smartwatch. We have the alarm. This alarm, you have to set it from the app on your phone. So after that, we have the timer. You can use this to set a timer for yourself. If you're going out, you can increase the time. You can increase hours, minutes, seconds, it doesn't matter. So after that, we have the sleep. If you want to monitor your sleep, if you wear your watch to go to sleep rather, you will be able to monitor how long you slept for. This helps increase the brightness. I would recommend increasing it to the highest, because when you're outside, the watch tends to look like it's not even on, so putting it on the brightness helps you see the watch outside. We have this, the language, so you can select whether there are only two languages, English and Espanol. And then this is the QR code that we talked about in the beginning of this video. This, you can see the name of the device, the MAC address, and the version of the smartwatch. And finally, settings. You can factory set your data. It turns the watch off. Then when it comes on, it's like you never used it before. So also, if you scroll up, you have the airplane mode. You have the vibrating button, you have the button unlock. Now this, you have people around you that tend to touch your watch a lot. Once you turn where they press, only you can press this button, and then the watch unlocks again and you're able to access the display. We have settings, night mode, and then finally the brightness. So that's about it for the SWO7C Smartwatch. So as we've seen, the Sporty Smartwatch is packed with different features. This smartwatch can last about 5 to 10 days without charging, depending on the usage. And the smartwatch only works with Android for now. Maybe later in the future they might decide to work with Apple products. Now, this Sporty smartwatch, in my opinion, is a great buy for anyone. And if you're looking to upgrade your current smartwatch, or if you're looking for a smartwatch to buy, I would recommend the SWO7C Sporty smartwatch. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Hakyn-Tech, and I'll see you all in the next video.
I